Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Today, you guys, I am going to take you along with me on my shopping trip to the Decorators Warehouse. Now, one thing that I want to mention, because today's video actually has two intros, I am shooting this video after the fact of the first one I did for you in Arlington, Texas. So some of you have asked me in the past about how certain people are able to come with me on these trips. So the two women that you will see with me in the intro of the video are my members. And for my members, when I am traveling to a new city, I will give everyone a month or 2 months heads up to see if they want to meet me there to either do lunch. But of course, in this case, I was in Texas for the Desperate for Jesus Women's Conference. So, of course, I had to make a trip to Arlington, Texas to go to the Decorators Warehouse, and these two ladies joined me. Members are different from subscribers, just for those of you who are not clear on that. So if you want to become a member and have these perks, then you would need to click on the link in the description box of this video to join. And there is a small monthly fee for that. So at the end of this video, I am going to show you what I ended up picking up from the Decorators Warehouse, but let's go ahead and get into it now. Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. Today I have Diamita with me and Yvette, and look at where we're at, you guys. The Decorators Warehouse. So this is trip number actually 3 for me here. And when I came last time, I did not get really good video because I was so distracted by all the pretty. But this year I am committed to doing better so that I can show you guys everything that's in this place. So let's go inside. I want you. Look at the ceiling. So cute. This is the display as soon as you enter into the first set of doors. There's another one. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Immediately my eye is drawn back to all of this white. They have a waterfall over there this year. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it right now, Decorators Warehouse. And you can't forget to look up here because everything is decorated on the ceilings here as well. Look at these. Okay, let's see what they say. They are having 15% off berries and sprays. Oh, look at this garland. Hi.
Thank you.
Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And look, do you guys recognize that? Those are the snowflakes I had last year in my village. And all the icicles. Oh my gosh, just stunning. This ribbon right here, oh my goodness. Yes. It is stunning. Absolutely love it. So everything that is on this tree is located down below for purchase and then along these walls. These, absolutely stunning. Last year, I bought this one, but the larger version of it, which is right here so you can see. And they have the mini ones that are so cute. And this one is $10.99. And then look at this one. I am absolutely in love with this ornament. And this one is $10.99 as well. The Christmas tree is in the sleigh. I just can't right now. It's stunning. Great job, Decorators Warehouse. You make my heart smile. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. And to see this part of it coming out from the side is just stunning. Just a stunning display. And look at the balls. And that device is making it spin, and they are for sale here. So you guys haven't heard yet, but my members know this is the color green that I wanted to do this year. And look at this beautiful velvet emerald green ornament. $14.99. And it is a good size. It is stunning. Wait a minute. Wait a minute right now. Stop. You guys, this looks like leather. Oh my gosh. I just can't. Look at the gigantic ornaments all throughout this tree. That is just so cute. Whole room of ribbon. It's glorious. All right, so these are the first items that I picked up from Decorators Warehouse. And if you remember, I mentioned that I did want to pick up this particular garland. So this is the Real Touch Norfolk Pine Garland. Now, this is the thick one that spreads out 16 inches wide and it is 5 feet long. And this particular one is $129. Now, I fluffed it out in the front here so you can truly see how wide this is. But this is how it is going to come to you. So all you have to do is just take these, spread it apart a bit. It does have some stiff branching in here so that you can spread it, open it up, and so that you can see it like this in all of its glory. Now, this one here is the 6 foot Norfolk pine, the Real Touch. But this one is really thin, and this one was $59. I did pick up both because of how I already designed my garland, how I want it to look on my mantle this year. And so you can see this one spreads out about 8 inches wide. I didn't do it down there. I didn't fluff it so you can see how thin it is. And again, always fluff your garland because it looks so much better like this than it does like this. All right, and this is the third type of garland that I picked up from the Decorators Warehouse. Now, this is made to like swag and droop and hang down over the front of the mantle, but I am actually going to use several of these pieces on my staircase. I picked up 5 of them. 4 are going on my staircase, and 1 is going on my mantle and my fireplace. And these branches hang down 2 feet. Now, I do have to warn you, this is a very short piece of garland. It's only 4 feet long. So you want to make sure you make accommodations for that. It is $70 for this strand, but my plans for this garland on my staircase, I just cannot even wait. I am actually going to incorporate this into another set of garland that I have already owned for years and have swags every like 10 feet. So it's going to be beautiful. I cannot wait. And let me go ahead and show you some of the last few things that I picked up from the Decorators Warehouse. All right, so here is one of the ornaments that I ended up picking up. I did pick up 3 of these in the exact same style. I did already have the rectangular ones, but I really just loved the diamond cut of this. So, of course, I had to get this. And oh, this is $10.99. And I got this metallic flower. Look at how beautiful this is. It's like a chrome. It's a little dusty. I do need to dust it off um, and wipe it down. But can you see the shine? It almost looks like a mirror and it is completely chromed out. I thought this was so cool. So I picked up 3 of these. And then lastly, I picked up 3 of these as well. I do a blue and white tree every single year. And this room that I'm in now actually is my blue and white room. And so this will be such a beautiful addition to that tree. And I love like the sparkles and the sequins and the glitter on this one. And then that deeper, darker navy with the lighter blue mixed within this leaf. And this one was $9.99 and then also 15% off when I went. So these are all the items that I picked up from the Decorators Warehouse. So thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me today while I showed you what I picked up from the Decorators Warehouse and also gave you a tour. You guys, they do have an online store that you can purchase from. Not everything that they sell inside the store is available online, so just be aware of that. But I have purchased things from there before and everything arrived safely in case you were wondering. And I hope this video inspired you to start putting together your Christmas plans. If you have any questions for me, leave me a line in the comment section and I will get back with you. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. And that's all I have for you today. So until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.